As the standoff over import duties continues between the centre and Tesla, a number of state governments are apparently trying to outdo each other in rolling out the red carpet for the American electric vehicle manufacturer. Just days after Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted about facing a lot of challenges with the Indian government, several state ministers have responded by inviting Elon Musk to set up shop in their states. Telangana Industry and Commerce Minister K.T. Ramarao was the first political office holder in India to respond to Musk's remark. On 15 January, he appealed to the Tesla CEO to consider investing in Telangana, which he described as a top-notch business destination in India. This was followed by a West Bengal minister who tweeted, "We in West Bengal have best infra and our leader has got the vision." Maharashtra followed the suit and Jayant Patil tweeted that Maharashtra will provide Tesla all the necessary help to get established in India. The fourth non-BJP state to invite Musk is Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu, who heads the state unit of the Punjab ruling Congress, said in a tweet that the state would provide time-bound single-window clearance for investment that brings new technology and creates green jobs. Now, Tamil Nadu is the latest state to offer Tesla to partner with the government in the renewable energy space. So let's deep dive and take a closer look at why the EV pioneer is not able to set up shop in India. Last year, 6 Indian states had formally reached out to Tesla to set up a plant. The company had also received formal approval for 7 of its cars to begin production. However, Tesla has complained that high import duties imposed by the Government of India on completely building units of foreign automobiles would restrict the sales of its vehicles as well as that of electric vehicles in general. India levies a 60% import duty on electric vehicles that cost $40,000 or less and 100% for those priced above the threshold to protect the domestic industry. Government officials have ruled out any company-specific incentive to Tesla to help import its cars from abroad or set up a production unit in India. Multiple officials told Money Control that the company has been informed of this as well. India remains the 5th largest automotive market in the world. The India Energy Storage Alliance projects that the Indian EV market will grow at a CAGR of 36% till 2026, reaching over 6.3 million units. According to the CWEW Center for Energy Finance, the EV market in India will touch $206 billion by 2030. At the COP26 summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India is aiming for net zero carbon emissions by 2070. However, electric vehicles still remain out of reach for an average Indian buyer.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.